In the series of events under celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to mark 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, a BSF jazz and brass band display was organized at Holy Cross School, Umkyang, East Jayanta Hills on 28 of September 2022. During the event, the brass and jazz band of BSF Meghalaya presented a colorful musical program. The musical program was attended by approximately 300 bordering people consisting school children, teachers, and eminent personalities and general public from nearby bordering villages. BSF bands mesmerized the crowd by playing many popular patriotic tunes and left the audience enthralled. The gathering appreciated the BSF for arranging such a grand event and expressed that more such events should be organized in the future. The show also installed the feeling of patriotism in the heart and minds of the youths and general public residing in border areas.
Father John, Principal Holy Cross Higher Secondary School Umkyang, SI Sher Khan, Police Patrol Post Umkyang, Pleader Secretary Lamsaski, teachers, students, villagers, Company Commanders of Kulayang, Ratachera. I, on behalf of Commandant 172 Battalion BSF, welcome you all in this program. To celebrate 75th year of independence, a special campaign, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, has been organized by Government of India. This year, India is celebrating its 75th independence as India attained freedom from Britishers in 1947 after a long struggle of 200 years. On 12th March 2021, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This government initiative has focused on the history, culture, development and future of our country. Several events, programs and campaigns have been launched under this initiative. The programs have been launched both at national and state levels. The initiative marks goals to be achieved by 2047 when India will attain 100 years of independence. One of the popular campaigns under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was Har Ghar Tiranga program, in which BSF took special initiative in border villages and ensured maximum participation of bordering population. Indian citizens hoisted our tricolor at their houses, on rooftops, balconies, etc. to spread the color of patriotism from 13th to 15th August 2022. Then motorcycle rally was organized by BSF from 1st September to 16th September 2022, which started from Moped, Shillong and culminated at Delhi, in which 172 Battalion BSF successfully played its role to accomplish the event. After that, BSF again celebrated Run Up to Teachers Day program on 2nd September to spread the teachings of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. BSF has specially targeted border population to create awareness, as this part of society remains untouched from main street.
ये किसने तराशा बदन मरमरी